In the heart of a modest workshop, the first spark of Cube Ministries flickered. Our founders dreamed of a world united by a unique language. Imagine symbols weaving through time, their origins ancient, yet modern in application. A 22-letter alphabet born from 6 Proto-Hebraic symbols. These crafted symbols, rich in geometry and sound, told stories and united minds. Our journey reached the desks of visionaries globally, transforming mere conversations into a deeper connection. Embrace this codified unity. Experience the joy as the cube links trusted hearts.
Discover how Kilshaw's vision for education is transforming lives. With expertise in history, math, and computer science, he's committed to creating educational excellence. As an influential voice on top podcasts and a proud digital nomad, Kilshaw brings modern solutions to age-old challenges. Inspired by Elihu Yale, he founded Cube Ministries, an acclaimed brand synonymous with quality and innovation. His endeavours, including building a synagogue, speak to his unparalleled character. Experience the Kilshaw Effect. Contact Graeme Kilshaw today to learn more.